Hi everybody, Simon Whiteley here. This is just a quick video to remind you that tomorrow is my next stamp event, so a stamp online workshop where we will talk about and work through an example of cast accident analysis together. It is a 6-hour online workshop, so we'll all get together tomorrow morning 10 AM till 4:30 working through this particular case study. Now essentially you'll get the opportunity to get an overview of stamp and what it is, what cast is. We'll walk through the accident report together and answer any questions that you have. We'll do the foundation phase, the modeling phase, develop the control structure model, and then we'll do the analysis. So we'll go through and analyze that control structure, identify recommendations and other questions, and then of course there's the opportunity for extensive Q&A. So this is your opportunity to really ask as many horrible, difficult questions as possible. Now it is limited spaces, so please don't delay registering. We start on the dot 10 AM tomorrow till 4:30. We'll have a few breaks for lunch and comfort breaks and such like. But it is a workshop. We are going to be working hard, and I'm really looking forward to it. We've got a few people, some interesting people signed up so far. So if you don't want to miss out, please click the link below, register your place, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.